Good morning, everyone. Oh, hold up. Little bit too early. A little bit too early. Hey, slow down, slow down. All right. Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right. Here we are, about 12 minutes before market open. It's going to be the last stream for the month. Not, oh, wait, it is the last stream for the month. I meant last stream from the week, but last stream from the week, last stream for the month. And speaking of last stream of the month, let's actually see how we're doing on the month. I know it's been kind of rough overall. Hey, top of the morning, mom. Top of the morning. On the month, I know it's been a rocky month, but it's all good. Doctor Consway, top of the morning. Chase, top of the morning. Hey, it's been a minute, Chase. Oh, yeah, top of the morning. But here, yeah, on the month, yeah, we came all the way down to this 675.50 level, but yo, it's all good. We're still green. Everyone was talking about how red Februarys are. I mean, it felt kind of rough in the moment, but we're all good. Yeah, let's get this bread. I got my eyes on speaking of bread, got my eyes on Nvidia as well as AMD. So I'm kind of watching those. They both have some pullback levels. I would like to see them too. I feel like Nvidia might be the more exciting move. AMD has greater range, so I'm watching both of them. I'll kind of like look at the options contract prices whenever they roll in, but yeah, I'm liking those. Bitcoin also had a pretty decent day yesterday. I'm gonna take this time to take a look at just how things are looking overall right now too. So taking a look at the dollar on the morning. Wait here, let's go back to the 4 hour. Yeah, on the morning it's up, it's in the green. That's gonna be a little bit bearish. Start today. Okay. Nvidia crushed its earnings last night, by the way. They did a great job. As of right now, in the pre-market, they are they're up like 59 cents, a quarter of a percent, but yeah, they're pretty flat. We'll have to keep an eye on them. I really like the idea of picking up like some upside at this what is this 192.69 level. Will to the feed, top in the morning. Welcome. Okay. Yeah, but dollar is up on the morning. Slight bearish tilt. VIX, the VIX continues to come down. So benefit to that. Yeah, we should be able to get some options contracts at a not too expensive price. All right, let's see. PCE closed out at 0.718. Gold, a little down. Silver, a little down. Bitcoin, kind of chilling. I had a good day yesterday. Just crossed up on the 13 and 48, so I could see Bitcoin pulling back to like 67K, upper 66K. See Ethereum. Oh, it's still holding up pretty well. GD, top of the morning. Good morning. Hey, let's check in on the vote. Let's see how we're feeling. Ooh, I see some reds coming in. Hey, I see a break even. I don't know if MSIN's in the mix, but I see the break even up there. Okay, let's see. Russell's holding up all right, nothing special. MSTR pulling back. All right, AMD still piquing my interest a little bit. Apple. Okay, so Apple is extending its move. I think Apple is expected to, or Apple has an event next week. Yeah, let's see. But they are like approaching kind of a area of resistance. I would kind of want to see what happens to them at like 276, like 276.30 or so. See if anything else looks interesting on the morning. Wait, hold up. Trade desk is maintained at buy by Truist. Here. Okay, so they're maintained at a buy, but their target is cut from to 50 from 60. Okay. I mean, that's still a lot higher than where they are. On Netflix still at this level. So I had called out, I guess if you're in the Discord or see whenever I go private, that Netflix came to kind of close yesterday at this so this big wick of a candle wasn't here yesterday. But if we look at Netflix, we can see that this is a key area of resistance. Because if we zoom out, we can see kind of from its earnings in October and then its recent earnings, there is a trend line that's been formed, and it kind of pulled up to touch it yesterday. It's still in a downtrend, but this is one that I'm kind of watching for confirmation to see if it wants to break up. Ooh, Nvidia. Nvidia is coming down like into market open. They might be there might be a little something here at open for Nvidia. Hold up. I'm gonna start scoping contracts. Hold up, let's see. Well, actually, it's gonna be it's a little too early for me to scope contracts because of the fact that the prices are gonna be jacked up and the price had moved, and so this week, yeah, so I kind of need the market to open, but I'm very interested. Let's see. Yeah, I think yeah, I'm gonna watch Nvidia a little bit. So I'm gonna leave Nvidia on there. I'm gonna say kind of forget about this AMD right now, but I'm definitely interested. All right, so going back to what I was saying about Netflix, we got this trend line resistance as well as this other like just kind of key level resistance right here. So that's just kind of two for confluence. One thing I will say is they did get the EMAs crossing to the upside, which is kind of bullish. I would expect this trend line to break here pretty soon, but I think there is a possibility of like a retest of maybe about $80 or so. But also, it could just take off here as well. So if it does confirm a breakout here and you start to see that volume, that might be something to hop on. Oh, yo, I'll be back. I forgot my electrolytes. I was like, that water ain't tasting right. I'll be right back. All right, we back. We back. Ooh, oh, I don't know who the camera was looking at. There we go. Just gotta get the electrolytes popping and whatnot. Ahem. Pour those in there and make sure I can properly hydrate. Hey, so those of y'all that don't know, I got a little half marathon on I think Sunday. Trying to make sure I take care of myself till at least then. All right, so market opens up in a little under a minute. Got like 50 seconds, 45. Okay, so market should be opening. Okay, M says, uh, held an IWM call overnight. Oh, you said okay. I mean, we can pull it up. IWM looked like it was holding up. Hold up, I'm actually looking at Nvidia right now. Oh, hold on, because I if it hits this level, I want to grab something like real fast. Hold on, let me look at the contracts, see what they're looking like. All right, I think I got the contract that I would want. We'll just see. Okay, so I got it pulled up. Now we just see if the level hits. Hold on, y'all. Hey, Master ERC, top of the morning. Oh yeah, we're right there. Come on. We're like right. You know, I'm gonna just buy it. All right, so I grabbed an Nvidia $200 call that expires tomorrow, and I paid 81 cents per share. Let me share that with the family real quick, and then we'll kind of get moving. Here, let's see. Just grabbed an $200 NVDA call expiring 2/27, paid 0.82 per share. I guess I paid 0.81. Here, let me adjust that. I put the limit price of 0.82, but it was 0.81. All right, so we'll see what happens. It like so look at it could still come a little lower. It hasn't come to it yet. Oh, there it goes. Okay. All right, now it hit. All right, but I got in like up here. But yeah, we'll see what happens with that. I'm in right here though. All right, so we'll give that the rest of the candle, and we'll kind of see what goes there, or maybe the rest of this candle and another candle. And if it looks like it's gonna drop like a rock, I'm dropping out of that thing. All right, so M says we can definitely check out that IWM if it's still any good. Here, let's see. Overnight. I mean, it's up. Uh, we the EMAs are across the upside. Wait, what did I just do? Why is this not moving the way? Look. Okay. All right, there we go. All right, so Nah, it's crossed to the upside. This 266 kind of area, 265.80 is going to hold up as resistance, but be on the lookout. Here, let's see. Did I say good morning, Master DRC? Top of the morning. Hey, yo, happy you can make it through. So this is going to be my last live for the week, and for the month. But yeah, I'm not going to be live tomorrow. I gotta like go somewhere in the morning. So this is the Friday stream on Thursday. D Scurv, top of the morning. Good morning. Spike and sell off just as expected on Nvda. I want to see what happens here. Because on the 4 hour, here, let's see. On the 4 hour, we got some liquidity, like some buying pressure at this 192.72. I would like to see, I think it could get us to 197. So here, let me actually take and draw that up. Wait, let me see. I guess maybe to where, let me zoom out one more time. Yeah, to 197.07. Okay. But yeah, we'll give it like 15, 30 minutes. Let it settle out. And then like, shoot, if I gotta get out of that, I'll get out of that. All right. Bummed I missed the Zoom call last night. It was chill. So it was like legit. It was just me, but no, it was actually a good lesson. It's recorded. I posted it in the in like the Zoom calls channel or whatever. Yeah, it's a good one. So I uploaded it, and it'll be there in the future. Yeah. Simpsons came through towards the end, but that's how it went. Lucky J, good morning. Let's get this bread. Nvidia put sounded cool for the morning. Hey, it looks like that is the move for open. I'm hoping that's not the move for the day, but we'll see. But yeah, that's kind of the way I went. Circle, though, nice run. Oh, are they still moving? Let me check in on Circle. Let's see. I think they're down here. Yeah. Bro, I'm trying not to let these first this first little bit get to me. Yeah, let me look at this contract I grabbed. See if there's a better. Oh yeah, I might be able to grab another one. Let's see. Just to like get a better average. Well, first I'm not even sure. Hold on. I'm not even sure I want to get another one. So I'll stick with that one for now. Here, let me look at it on. Oh no, you know what? I'm gonna hold up. I'm gonna hold up. Yeah, we're gonna hold out for that. But yeah, put would have been something nice. But yeah, I might still grab a second one. Let me see. Wait, Circle still going 87. I don't know what it was yesterday. Netflix still holding over here too. The spy kind of looked like it's trying to come for it too. I just gotta wait for confirmation. But here, but the Russell's looking good. What is it? Emerson? Oh yeah, Circle. Yeah, start today. Well, they closed at 83, so now they're, yeah, they hit 89. Dang. All right, so Nvidia found some support here. Looks like I got in. Like honestly, there's nothing wrong with the level I got in. This is just what happens when you get in that open. But here, let's drag this over. Let me hydrate a little bit. But yeah, Nvidia kind of killed their earnings though. Not that that would make it go up. I'm just going off the charts. Oh, let's see some. All right. Also, I have taken interest in Netflix. Like we have a possible breakout over here. Haven't quite got confirmation yet, but Netflix is looking interesting. I think I just got an alert. I just got an alert on Circle for passing something on the daily. Oh, Circle is up at this resistance. Wait, hold up. Bro, I remember last night on stream we tried to Circle, but like some of the stuff I drew, I don't see it. It's not showing up on the chart. But I know what it's saying. I had drawn a trend line. I don't know why it's not there anymore. Hey, Netflix looks like it might want to do something. Y'all be on the lookout for Netflix. Assuming that this 4 hour candle doesn't fall down, hey, y'all look out. Oh yeah, Lucky J. Oh, we watching. We watching. Monica, top of the morning. Top of the morning. Let me do a quick check on SoFi now as you roll through. Let's see. Oh, SoFi is legit. Break even. Nothing going on there. Yeah, let me check news. Let's see. So yeah, I'm about to check for any headlines or anything. Quick shout out to the 12 of you that notice that little thumbs up down there, that little like button, and decided to give it a nice smashing. All right, let's see. News. Samsung Electronics joins the $1 trillion. Could it out earn Mag 7 by 2027? What? I don't even know say Samsung stock ticker. Let's see. All right, SoFi trying to push right now. Hold up. A little bit. Yeah, a little bullishness. Hey, top of the morning, Charles. M said, she said circle thinking up or down. Right now it's kind of showing up, but it could be down. All right, circle. So yeah, we gotta see it. Like we this is the first candle. All right, so that trend line came back. Okay, I can see it now. All right, so yeah, right now it's above the trend line. We wanna wait for confirmation and see what's up. Like this could just be a big wick and it could just come right back in. So we don't know. We're only 14 minutes in the market open. Starting to think, put at 90 bucks. Could be the case. All right, I'm gonna have to cut out of that Nvidia. That looks like yeah, wrong call on that one. Let me cut out of that. Took a quick little L on that one. All right, here real quick. Let me update that. Just cut out of Nvidia for a loss at 0.27 per share. All right. So yeah, I'm out of that. I still feel like there's a possibility it'll come back up, but now there's this 187 level. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna mark it, but I'm probably not gonna trade it. I just want to have that there, just in case I decide to. Never a good feeling like starting off with the L though. Makes me a little bit more conservative in the way I'm moving. I do want to see. Okay. All right, we might have confirmation on the spy though. That might be something I can do if we confirm here. But spy already kind of already dropped. It's like I kind of wanted to just jump in it, but kind of don't at the same time. Let me turn my EMAs back on. Yeah, I like to think maybe we could get like a retest up here and then it can continue its trend. That would be ideal. Let me catch it on the 5. I already got a cross on the downside. I'll probably look for it on the, what is it? I guess on the 5. See if we can get a break and retest though. It's looking like we might sell off today though. Just want to wait for I don't know, pullback entry. Hope they don't just like completely knife it and then just slow it down like they like to sometime. Hope today's the kind of like back and forth kind of. All right, circle still moving. Trying to go up to that it's about to test that $90 level in cents. Still got my eye on Netflix too. Lucid looks like it might be in for a little pullback too. Nothing big, just like 40, 50 cents or so. TTD already trying to come up. TTD's board approved an extra 350 million for buybacks. It's kind of a nice that's kind of nice at this valuation right here. Uber's having a nice day. Uber launched Uber Air. All right, we got like 9 minutes till this candle closes. You grab two Netflix calls for June. Palantir missed your entry. Yeah, we can take a look at it. Oh, hey, since that $90 level, yeah, it's smacking circle down. Oh, let me look at it on the honestly. Wait, hold up. I forgot I had something there too. Hold up. Yeah, let me take another look at Circle real quick, see what the contracts are looking like. Mhm. Hold up. Check on the 4 hour. It's like a 13. Hold up. This is a 26. I don't know Circle well enough. But yeah, let me check in on Palantir, see what's up. Hey, top of the morning, Romero. Tesla down flat, Uber moving up. I appreciate that, Romero. Yo, have a blessed day, man. You said, did I ever keep the Polestar? I don't think I ever bought Polestar shares. I don't know their ticker symbol. There might have been a point in time I looked at some, but I don't think I ever bought them. Yeah. Okay. Bid and ask a little wide on circle. Yeah, I'm. That's like the price movement looks interesting, but yeah, I'm not too familiar with it. Here, let me watch Netflix on like a 15. So it's kind of at that area where it came, I guess, pre-market. I guess if it like shows strength into that, it can take off. You said I thought you did at the time of the recording they were like a dollar and some change. No, I don't think I ever bought them. I think I may have talked about buying them. Let me see. Let me check out. What is their ticker symbol? Oh, okay. PSNY. No. Yeah, is that the ticker? I feel like I remember that ticker, but do you think TTD is a good leap option? Honestly, at the level it's at, I'm not sure about leap options, but I like the stock itself. But I actually had some TTD shares. I dropped off around like 30. I had like an average cost of like 37. I was like, oh, it looked like it can go down some more. I would say until it starts, I want to see it like come above 26. I want to see it start like showing upside. If it starts showing upside, like I can start going for it, but it's like right now I still have it being able to come down to 14. So it's like where it is like if you get in right now, it's like you can legit still get cut in half or like cut more than in half from where it is. So it's like I'm kind of waiting for confirmation. It's already like so low that even if it like breaks structure and shows, hey, it's in an uptrend now, you still got a lot of room that it can run up. So I'm kind of just waiting on that. Palantir, Uber moving. Yeah, Uber was up pretty. Is Uber moving more than the like almost 3% it was up? Yeah, it's moving a little bit more now. All right, we got like 3 minutes till this spy candle close. Let me check on it. Spy looks good for downside, but also like I would like some here. Let me check it out on 1 hour. I would like some confirmation. Let me go up to the floor. Bro, honestly, I'm not sure how I feel about it. Palantir, Uber, W deal. How did I learn the charts? Uh, I lost a lot, like when I was just trying to trade. Actually, I started off winning a lot, like when I was just trading off news. And then I saw somebody like I was told a lot in the beginning that like technical analysis and charting was just like a bunch of mumbo jumbo and like it's just people drawing lines and that wasn't anything. I don't know. It's like I saw some people like being pretty consistent with the things that they had called were going to happen, like actually happening and occurring. And I'm like, yo, let me like learn. Let me see if I can figure out what they're doing and learn it. And like honestly, after a few months, I kind of like learned what they were doing, but then I just kind of oh, it took me like 2 years of like learning and then like probably paid like 2 grand for a course and just kind of facilitated or like confirmed what I knew. But pretty much it's just being in the charts and learning them. I feel like that's a bad answer, but what was I going to say? Pretty much, I learned the strategy. The main strategy that I implement is like liquidity sweeps and supply and demand, and then it's just kind of just keep practicing, and it becomes more natural. All it takes to be good at anything is kind of like practice and pattern recognition. So I would say just pick kind of a strategy. I feel like they all typically point to the same place and keep practicing. All right, let's see. So one day we're gonna find one stock. Hey, one day. Hey, also also keep dollar cost averaging into some good ones, and then we'll get rich like that too. All right, yeah. If Spy can like retest, like pull back up to like retest, I'd be cool with going for some downside. I just don't want to chase it. But Spy has confirmed to the downside. And it's at the 200 now, like the 200 moving average on the 15. So I feel like this also got a low support here. I feel like this would be a good area for it to try to like bounce. Circle should follow Bitcoin's lead. Oh, is Bitcoin still dropping? Hold up. So I had Bitcoin falling to like yeah, about this upper 66 or 667 or 67,000 or whatever. Lower 67, upper 66,000. So if that's the case, I guess wherever would be the equivalent for Circle, kind of what to look out for. Uh, Emmanuel, do you have any videos on charts that I can learn? I want to. Yeah, I got like a little playlist. Pull it up real quick. Let me see. Okay. So I should have been watching. You said Nvidia might be bouncing. Say it ain't so. They probably. Hold up. Let's see. Oh, hold up. Might be. That next area I was talking about is down here. I could still go for Nvidia if it comes down here. I just had to get out. Didn't want it to go to zero. Oh, hold up. I was about to share that playlist. Let me see. Where's the view your channel playlist? And let me just make that public. It's like unlisted. But here I'm gonna paste it in the chat. I'll make it pinned comment, Emmanuel. All right, so that's gonna be the link to the playlist. Wait, hold up. Let me get that out of here. And here, let's see. Where? Oh, okay. Quick explainer on that. Where'd it go? One that will up. All right. So quick, like kind of explainer of this. So look, hold up. Oh, what just happened? All right. So this is gonna be like a playlist of like I think if you watch this, you will become a dangerous trader. Let me here, let's make that a little smaller. So the playlist, wait, where's okay, so the playlist like it's gonna take you straight to this video first. And I think this is like this first video is predominantly stocks, but it's gonna show you like how to set up your charts in TradingView, how to like set up your tools and how to like use some of them. I talk about good stocks to trade, how to read a candlestick. This is like the first thing I teach everybody whenever you're actually learning technical analysis. First thing you want to know is like how to analyze a trend, know which direction you think it's going. Then how to draw trend lines. Here, let's see. Uh, examples of drawing trend lines, understanding risk versus rewards, where to place your stops and whatnot. Then, like the later stuff in this video is like how to actually buy a stock. But if you're trying to trade options, it'll be a little different. But this is like beginner technical analysis here. Then next video goes into like swing trading. Then you get into like options. So these first two videos are good for charts. These next two videos are good for practicing options. So yeah, that's going to be good for like charts. And then like, hold on, there's a video I need to put on here that's not on here. I got like a strategy that's like my favorite. I think it's called like I have some videos called like maybe the only video I or the only trading strategy I need. Hold up, let's see. But where's it at? Oh, how I chart the only setup I need. Let me add this to that playlist. Where are we at? Where are we at? There we go. All right, so that's now a part of it too. That's a important one right there. All right, so Lucky just said one day then watch this by Nvidia might be bouncing. Hey, Colin, top of the morning. You said it was on the 1 minute. Yeah, Nvidia down like a rock right now. All right, so hey, I think We might find out soon whether Nvidia is not Nvidia, Netflix is going to break out or not. Let me look at them on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, that's actually a break and retest. Hold up. I guess that's a break and retest on the 4 hour too. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, I would like to see like a retrace pull back up to the upside. But I think we could have like a larger downside move. I think like if I were good morning, Netflix. BR about to test weekly highs. What is B/R? Yeah, Netflix. Hold on, let me see. When I look at this liquidity, when I look at this daily though, you see all this selling pressure right here at this level. And that might be it for it. But yeah, let's see what happens. You said, what do I see on the cues? Kind of same thing as the SPY. So it's like I kind of lean towards it coming down today, but I would like to see it retrace, like pull back up to retest. It's like otherwise, if it just falls through this, it's just going to be a knife. So it's like you can take a chance and look, try to go for downside now, but ideally, it's like we get some kind of move like this, so we can at least like con be up when it comes back to this level. But I think today it could move down some more, but oh, we kind of gotta see. Like I really would like to see it pull back first. But if we do look at kind of like the behavior of how things have been behaving, um, the days we've been having the biggest kind of pullbacks this month have been Thursday. So if we go back to what was this other drop? This drop over here, that was Thursday. Here, what was the one before? Thursday over here, little drop. What day was it? This was a Tuesday. Pretty big drop, but like I said, break and reset. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we gotta break and retest on the 1 hour for Netflix. So it's kind of a good look. It's just like I want to see it get past this level too. Cause I do think like it's looking like Netflix wants to break out, but also you got some selling pressure over here that it keeps coming into. Maybe let that RSI cool off a little bit. RSI is still a little bit overbought. All right, so okay, we're going down. I'm gonna just take the money I had from that contract. I'm gonna just throw it in. Uh, so it's like I don't like days like this when it doesn't just like when it doesn't do normal structure. But like if we look at kind of what it's been doing, it's looking like it wants to just break down today. So let's see. See if that gets filled. Bro, it keeps trying to move. It's trying to run away from me. Okay. I'm not trying to chase it, but it's it just accelerated. Bro, this contract has ran like, bro, what's going on? There's some sort of news because the contract's already ran like a solid like 25% in less than a minute. That's kind of annoying. All right. Bro, that's kind of frustrating, honestly. Oh, I'm gonna take it to a 15 though. It'll probably all right, it's already on at 15. It'll still probably at least pop up to this 689 before coming down. I don't know if it'll come all the way up there, but it'll still have some kind of pullback. I'm not gonna like chase it that hard. I still got my own the contract that I wanted though. I was gonna go for a zero DT. I'm not gonna chase a zero DT. Bro, but that's sad. That contract it's already up like 50%. Let me check out the VIX. All right, Netflix. Hold on, let me go back to the 4 hour. Cause you know what? Hold up, might be able to go for a short on Netflix. Cause it's looking like if we're gonna come down, I don't think people are like really watching Netflix for downside right now. I might be able to sling a. Hold on, what's going on? Bro, why is it? Oh, it's still trying to fill that order. That contract ran over 100%. Okay, that's annoying. That is very annoying. Okay. All right, so we're coming down. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to get filled. I'm gonna have to go out another strike. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just throw the money from that contract. I grabbed a Netflix $81 put that expires tomorrow. Just cause yo, we are not confirming above this here, let me throw that in. But yeah, we're not confirming above this trend line, and we're not confirming above the trend line. Also looks like we're not going to confirm above this area of resistance, like it's being held up. So I grabbed a $81 Netflix put expiring tomorrow and paid $24 per share or 24 cents per share. Bro, that's kind of annoying though. Just grabbed uh Netflix. Wait, hold up. Put expiring 2/27 paid 0.24 per share. All right, we'll see. Something happens with that. That's probably going to be a swing. Man, bro. All right, so to those y'all wondering at the spy call I tried to get, let me see. Just so y'all know, I don't even remember what strike it was. I think it was a 0 DT. Let me see. It was look at my history. It was a spy. It was a 681 put. And I was trying to get it at 36 cents per share. That thing is now $1 per share. That's wild. That's very wild. Okay. But yeah, got that Netflix. We'll see what happens. I was originally targeting close to the $80 area, so I think it's possible that Netflix does get to the money. If we do have a sell off day, Netflix can that can still pay too. I'm just kind of annoyed about that spot, but oh man, that's wild. Hey, but Chase called it with the Nvidia puts. Wow. Okay. Double top potential on Netflix as well. Oh, you're talking about on the lower time frames. Yeah, I see it. Here, let me just do that. That little alert. But yeah, we've been having these Thursday sell offs. Like this sell off over here, this was on Thursday. If it's anything like it, look, we touched the same high. By the end of the day, we were at like 680. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, we do have a little momentum. Yeah, though, you can see those volume bars are picking up actually. So yeah, I hope. Did we get some sort of news? Circle dipping back green. Let's see. Oh, Bitcoin hit that level that I was looking for. But here. Oh, I don't even know what happened to Circle. Let me see. You said dipping back green. What do you mean? It's yeah, it's dropping down. Shoot, let me see what Bitcoin is doing. Bring it to a 15. Oh yeah, it's selling off too. It's about to the area where I was saying. Market dominance of stablecoin grows in February. They wanna slow down now. I got them to puts. But yeah, the VIX kind of spiked up a little bit too. Yeah, the Qs are falling. They're falling at the wait. Okay, we got the SPY down 1.14, Qs down 1.84. So their actual like structure of them falling looks the same, but yeah, the Qs is percentage wise falling more. Yo, what is this? Oh, I think that might have been what you were talking about yesterday. These curve and you. I just got an alert that they're below some level. Oh, I guess they're below their daily 200 moving average. No, I got like I can see it on my phone. There's like a horizontal level I have. All right, SPY. Trying to find a little relief there a little bit. I'm gonna try to see if there's any like kind of headline that caused that little acceleration right there. Cause yeah, the volume on that's yeah, we were selling off. Yeah, I don't see anything yet. Check out CNBC. See eBay laying off 800 roles or 6% of its workforce. Congress takes on Nvda. White House as it pushes for chip export limits. Oh, that might be something. That could be something right there. Let me see how like it says this is from 2 minutes ago. White House as it pushes for chip export limits. Okay, let's see what it says. Republican lawmakers are pushing to place limits on the availability of U.S. companies to sell advanced semiconductors to China, an effort that has run afoul of some key figures in the Trump administration. The effort also pitched China hawks on the hill against Nvda CEO Jensen Huang, who has repeatedly made the pitch to lawmakers and government officials that make U.S. chips, that the more U.S. chips are used in China, the more U.S. companies will be a leader in the space. Okay, yeah, we're still selling off. House of Foreign Affairs Committee Chairman is at the forefront. The joke here is Jensen wants us to trust the CCP. Mass told C. Oh, okay. All right. So if I had to assume what this fall is about, that looks like the most relevant thing. Let me check in again. Yeah, we're kind of holding up at that 685 level though. That's the next level to watch out for us to fall through. All right. Let's see. Bro, Google's selling off kind of hard. Google down like 3%. All right, so yeah, let's actually yeah, see if we can get to the actually let me look at a heat map to see. Forgot how to do it on here. Snapshot, full screen, settings, this advanced view. Wow, didn't even realize. Didn't even realize I could just pop off like that. Okay. All right. 4 hour double top going back to February 10th. Oh, you were talking about on the 4 hour? Something like that. I just call this like resistance, but yeah, you could call it that. What is it? Object tree data window. Or would I just oh there we go. Chats. Oh, hold up. Bro, I've been slipping. Hold up. Bro, all this time I've been thinking I had to pull up Robinhood to pull up the strikes and stuff. That's wild. Okay. Okay, so we can see the prices and stuff. But okay, wow. Yeah, I've been slipping. All right, so we're still selling off. You know what? Let me take another look at that contract that I was looking at. Where did I just get that from? Think it was over here. Options. Let's take a look at SPY. I think today's expiration, and it was puts. They were 681 puts. Wait, were they? That's today. Yeah, today's. I don't think that's accurate. Let me see. I don't think that's accurate though. Yeah, there were 681 puts. Oh yeah, their value did come down. They're not up at 100 anymore, but it's still showing higher than what it's showing on here. So I don't know. Let me check in on those Netflix. So I'm at break even on those Netflixes. All right, so still finding some support at that level. That kind of 685. Oh yeah, Nvidia dropped off. What's AMD looking like? Nvidia's down like, or AMD's down like almost four. Nvidia's down 5%. Let me get back to kind of checking in, seeing how things are looking. Apple's down too. Apple in talks with Axis Bank to watch launch Apple Pay in India. Oh, okay. Right, yeah, that Nvidia 4 hour candle. Yeah, it's looking kind of top heavy. It's a lot of weight. All right, so far I hit that 19 and bounce. Could be a dead cow bounce. Let's see. Let's see. So far. Yeah, it's kind of been moving a lot in this range. So I would say until it like, actually, I don't even know what the significant here. I'd probably want to slide this up. I would say till I say it like comfortably closes above 1940. Um, I don't have much to say about it. Oh, I didn't even realize I had SoFi right here. BMNR. Amazon still just chilling. Uber's still doing well. Netflix trying to, I don't know. It's like it's trying to. Actually, it's nothing crazy. But yeah, we got to spy off the bottom a little bit. Let me take it to a 5 minute, see what that's looking like. See if it goes back to retest that 5 minute EMA or that 13 EMA on the 5. Could still to keep its downward trend. All right, so trying to get a little bouncy action in here. Check news again. So far, hit the. You said sell your Netflix put. I gotta, bro, got to see it through. Depending on what happens on the 4 hour, I'll consider it. If it starts coming back up, or if it comes up like and pushes past this, I'll sell out of it. Like I understand it could be like could be peacocking me right now, but as of right now, looking at the 4 hour, where it's at, it looks like I should hold on to it. But I love to see what makes you say sell it. Like there is supporting evidence for for it to go up. Market about to turn up. We'll see. I would want to see the market get above this. Because once again, like if we look back last Thursday, all right, this Thursday, if you look at the range for last Thursday, this gray box is pretty much that right here. Let me just make it last Thursday. So yeah, this is the move we had last Thursday. If we look at the candles that span for today, it's slightly lower. We did get like an equal high in the after hours on Wednesday, but the range so far today, and if we come into this candle and see what it looked like, here, let's go to like a 15. This is how it looks on the 15 right now today. And we go back to that other one. All right, so we like sold off till about 10:15. So I guess we're still kind of in that sell-off kind of range. Consolidated, and then at the end of the day, we sold down like an extra $3 or $4. Let's see how we're developing today, how different it is. I mean, we sold off to, as of right now, to about 685. This candle right here is a different point, so possibly, yeah, we could have a turnaround. But Netflix right now on the 4 hour is actually coming even more into that. So it's like I gotta see it through until I don't got to see it through, my boy. I'm up like, see, if I wanted it to sound better, I could say, hey, I'm up like 8%, but I'm up like $2 on that contract. But we'll see. The market, I don't know. We can see. So I'm gonna take the SPY back to a 5 minute. It's already almost back to that 688. I want to see how it responds at this 13 EMA on the 5. Honestly, I don't think it'll change what I do with the Netflix because I guess I'm kind of watching Netflix a little bit independently right now, but Netflix itself can change what I do with it. Oh, so on another note, while we're sitting here waiting to see what the market does, yo, how's everybody feeling right now? What's the weather in your life like? All right, we got SoFi's up above that level, trying to push up. Let's see what Nvidia is doing. Check in on that. Let's see. Yo, it's trying to hold up at that 200. All right, we do have Netflix trying to push up a little bit. Still got the SPY trying to push. But they're trying to mess with me today. Here, let me drop down on this one. Yo, it is riding that trend line. Let me shrink this so I can see it a little better. Catching a little bit on Netflix. Bro, Nvidia's down like $9. All right, so Nvidia is pushing up right now. They only get above the 13 though. They only get above the 13 right now. 13 on the 15. Uber maintains some strength through that. So yeah, the deal with Uber, that's bullish. I would expect that to kind of supersede the market. Cause I feel like Uber, it can kind of move with the market, but it's not like one of those big market moving ones. So it's like I feel like if it has it on news, yeah, it can do its thing. Yeah, of course, Uber is what- hold up. The Trump administration plans to repeal a rule affecting worker classification, which may benefit Uber and similar app-based services reliant on contractor labor. Been driving, took a loss in Circle. Oh, it didn't come down like you needed to. Yeah, let's see. Circle. Oh no, it did not. So it's not quite moving the same as Bitcoin. Yeah, it's kind of moving on its own. Cause you got Bitcoin down like almost a percent, but you got Circle up like 7, almost 8%. All right, so actually it's too early to say what I was about to say. All right. Yeah, Netflix still having some trouble getting above that 13, but what's more important to me is for it to get below the trend line. If it doesn't get below the trend line, I'm not really gonna see anything there. All right, so we got the SPY. It's come into contact with that 13 on the 5. So now we'll kind of see what occurs with the momentum. Oh, hold up. All right, so this isn't really something you would look at it on, but like the hiking Ashley on the 15 still showing the like sell-off candles. But here, I'm gonna take it back to the 2 so we can kind of see what it looks like there. But yeah, I'm gonna have to like hop back and see what that ends up looking like. 'Cause I know the hike and Ashley is supposed to be good on like the 2 and the 5. I don't know the 1 and the 2, like on those shorter time frames. SoFi is about Add a level for calls, I think, for a breakout. I would just need confirmation. It could. It's like I would just need it to like show itself and hold itself. But yeah, this the way it bounced off this 13 does look good. Like the way it bounced off support. That looks kind of nice. Oh, there goes Netflix. I'm gonna need them to stop playing with me. All right, spy small rejection. We got SoFi trying to go. Let's see. All right, nope. Netflix trying to hold up. Looks like got the spy trying to push up. Circle trying to hold up. Check in on the Vic. Oh, hold on, wrong. Got Bitcoin trying to come back up. Let me check the Qs on the 5. Oh yeah, I didn't even realize Honest is up like 20% today. All right, let's see what else we got moving. Bro, NVO just died down to like $38. Yeah, Honest had earnings last night. Yeah, I saw Jeremy's video about it. I thought they had gone down after their earnings though, but yeah, I think he said he liked what he saw from them. XLF is the sector. Here, let's see. Yeah, they're doing their thing up 1.27. All right, so we got one more hour left on the 4 hour candle. Well, I'm rolling out like 30 minutes into that. Got birthday activities to do today. Let's see. Okay. You said did Netflix spike? I would say it didn't spike. It went up a little bit. So I think Netflix was probably about in this area. Netflix is up like 30, 40 cents. Like it's moving up, but I wouldn't say it spiked yet. So we'll kind of have to see. MSN said like 22. What about? Oh, I got you. I got you. Anyhow, at the gig now in front of the computer, now you can concentrate. Not a. Oh yeah, don't revenge trade. Shoot, I want a revenge. Oh, I don't want a revenge trade, but shoot, that's I definitely want to get it back. But nah, it's like I'm gonna just chill out. I'm sad. Like I had bro, the spy just like ran away from me like that. That trade went up like almost 300%. I was literally like 1 point off. Hey, you'll get your losses back though. Stick around long enough. Come in with the consistency. You get it back. Yeah, it's trying. So We can see it went on a nice here. Let's look at it. So market open up 692, like right here. Ran all the way down to 684. That's what it looks like on the 5. And what was it? Yeah, that's what it looks like on the 5. And yeah, I would say like if it like can comfortably get above the 13, yeah, it might move up to like 690 or so, or back up. And since I want, or not, and since these curves that I want. Wait, Nvidia. Wait, dang, y'all just I turned my head for half a second. Y'all got like 3 comments in. Honest is honestly a targeted 100+ stock company. No, yeah, I think. Do I have 100 or 200 shares of Honest? Let me see. I know I at least have 100. Let me see. I think it's 100. Let me see. No, I have 100 shares. Oh dang, I probably need to grab another 100 shares. My average cost is at like 396. I'm down like 30% on it. I didn't realize I hadn't looked at them in a while. All right. Nvidia looks bounces again on the 15. Might grab it. Oh, you're in the call on Nvidia? I had grabbed that one and opened, but I had cut out just for a record. But it does, like on the 4 hour, it does look like they're sweeping that second entry level I was talking about. But from there, like if it is sweeping that, I think that only leads to about like 692.80 or so. So just keep that in mind, is what I would say. I want my revenge too. We will get it. But yes, let it be done wisely. So flag clean clearly range bounds. Yeah, it's kind of been chopping there. Netflix trying to hold back up. Yeah, really gotta see how this 4 hour candle closes. Yeah, they might be about to take off. So that'll be 2 L's. Just turned 29. I'm not starting off the best. Might have to take some time in a little think chamber and reevaluate my trades, because they'll be 0-2 if this falls through. And it's like I know there's that trade I tried to take, but it didn't work out like that for me. Oh yeah, they trying to play with me. Want my revenge? Appreciate that, D Scurv. I think he started talking about Nvidia and switched to Spy mid combo. So no, when I said Nvidia, so it's like from here, like it looks like Nvidia is sweeping on the 4 hour, but from where it's going, it looks like it could sweep to like just below 193 from what I'm seeing where it's at. All right, Netflix trying to push back up. Hold up, I did just see, think a headline? Guess not. Yeah, Netflix trying to push up now. What's the name? Love Cisco. Might have known something. I don't know. We'll see. Right now, it's still like range bound. Yeah, so we kind of just chilling right now. I'm gonna take Nvidia to a 15. Also interested to see kind of how it responds here. Oh, appreciate that, D Scurv. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Shout out to D Scurv. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go get some kava with that. All right, we got Netflix going up. Let's see. I almost feel like I should do a backflip. Yeah, appreciate it, D Scurv. Let's see. Yeah, we still got Netflix. Yeah, that's all. That's almost my Netflix trade back. Here, I'm gonna draw a little line right here. See if we can get a close above that. Oh, wife just got home. Oh, I didn't realize Spy got above that level. So yeah, Spy, yo, it's trying. Let me close that out. Still got my eye on Netflix. Nvidia trying to pull back up. Got my eye on the volume because we did have a lot of let me see, a lot of selling pressure and then the volume dropped. So I'm gonna be watching the volume kind of loosely. So Nvidia is now only down 4%. I think it was down like good amount more, like almost five, like more than five, I think. AMD down like 3.6. See real quick, see what we got going tomorrow. So we got PPI tomorrow before open. Once again, I'm not going to be live tomorrow. Let's see. Google introducing Nano Banana 2, which brings high fidelity image generation, faster advanced editing to new flash model. Okay, that's actually, might have to check that out. PayPal and Stripe not currently in talks. Google on March 23rd will be introducing Gemini Advantage in Google marketing platform. How's Google doing? I was kind of looking down a little bit. Let me check the Heiken Ashima 15. Okay, that's kind of reversed too. Ooh. Oh, I got a bit of, wait, all right, so still being held down at this level. All right, so as of right now, Netflix is currently range bound. We'll take it to a 4 hour though. So we got 4 hours, 40 minutes left on this 4 hour. If this closes with strength, I'm out of there. Let's see. Whoa. There goes my nine. Bro, we got Euro close in like 9 minutes. I'm interested to see kind of how that goes. Let me come in, check, see how we doing on the dollar. Oh wait. So we kind of ran up to like 9:30. Bigs pulling back. Yeah, I don't know how to feel. Bro, I on cue. They're they got a nice little move up. My question is what's about to happen at this 200? Boot at the top of the morning. Glad you could make it through before it was over. And let's Shopify looking good. Late to the party. Hey, better late than never. Let's see. Oh, let me take a look at Apple. So Apple, here, let's look on the daily real quick. Nah, it's kind of made most of the move. Do I think the market will reverse? But honestly, I not really saying. Here, let's. So if I look at like I was kind of cautious of this area when we came up here, and honestly, they bro, the way it kind of happened, they, oh, they made it seem just like kind of like it could go up enough for me to not kind of go for anything. So me personally, because of the way that it's moved and where it's gone, it can go up. So like this was the range before. Let me actually get it to the range. All right, so this was the range we were operating in. We're still technically in this bearish range, but it could be about to turn. So like we came back, we tested the high like at the end of the day yesterday. We kind of got a pullback. We got at least like if we look we got more than like a halfway pullback, I believe. So actually if we look at it like that, that's what the fib. So it's like I'm not sure. It's like it can go back up. Would I 100% count on it? Not necessarily. But I think there is something to be said about the fact that when we look on the 1 hour, we did close out above the 200. But I guess we'll have to see how this candle closes. It's too early to say. But I think from here, I can see us getting back to 690. And then it's like go, if we like look like we're still moving at 690, I think we can move up more. Sometimes it's better to be late. I think today is one of those days it would have been better to be late. Like if I was not looking at the market I still have if I was just coming in like when I normally come on, I would still be kind of fresh. I would see like Nvidia like, oh, it went past that level and now it's at an even better level. And I'm like, yo, could have came in, scooped up like that. But yeah, sometimes it's better to be late. So yeah, just come in when you come, be present. It's good. Nice day for financials and oil. USO. I've never traded USO. I always just look. Oh yeah, nice little day for that one. Hood on the 4 hour. For next week. At least you're giving a little bit of time. Let's see. Hood on the 4 hour. Let's see. So I would want to see it get like close above this area right here. This is a supply zone. Like this little this candle right here. This is the supply zone. I could see it coming back or coming up to that, but I want to see how it reacts. Because right now it's still crossing down. Like it's still showing that downtrend, but oh, it's like as of right now, like when it comes in here, I would like to see it touch this 79 like 80 area, 79.58 area. Maybe push a little past it. And from there I would look for a little pullback, maybe to about like 75 or so. If it still looks like it's moving down, that's like, oh, maybe we look to like 70. And then if it's still moving down, yeah, you just ride it. You see what it's doing, or you cut out and wait and see. But as of right now, unless we like break above it, break above like let's say break above $80, I I'm still looking to the downside on it. D nut, Krispy Kreme doing this. Oh, don't tell my wife. My wife's always talking about Krispy Kreme. Don't let her know there's a stop, and don't let her know it's succeeding. Why the yo? It's up 33%. Krispy Kreme added approximately 1,100 high traffic locations in 2025. Completed its exit from less profitable stores. Contributed. Interesting. That's kind of wild. Yeah, Krispy Kreme doing their thing. That's you know what? Let me add this to the list. I might have to watch. Yeah, just like look at that. It's interesting. Would I go for actually yeah, Nvidia call at this level looks better. I grabbed a call at open. I had to take an L, but this looks better. So I took a call at this 192.85 or like 193 area. But like I think it was based on the 4 hour. But this one looks a lot better. So right here at this level, like if you look at it, you got your liquidity, boop. Cause I was trying to do it from up here. And that's like, yeah, sometimes you just rip right through. And that's kind of what happened. So it is what it is. But yeah, with that being said, family, that's kind of going to do it for the day. I'm in this Netflix. I'm going to see how this 4 hour candle closes. But yeah, that's going to do it for today. I'll see y'all next week. Got a little half marathon on Sunday. So I'm going to be trying to relax till then. But yeah, appreciate each and every one of y'all for coming through. And I'll I guess see y'all on Monday. Uh yeah, peace out M Sense. Peace out Buddha Dev. Peace out D Scurv. Peace out EBF 1522. Let's see. Peace out. Love Cisco. Peace out, Tony Matt. Peace out, Calm. Peace out, Lucky J. I hope each and every one of y'all has a blessed day. And yeah, with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family.